Hey everybody, Matty Rips here. Real quick, I have another single pack of Chaos Rising. This is a Dragalge on there. I believe that's Dragalge. Anyway, let's go ahead and see what we get. I want to say Leaf this time. Leaf Pokemon? Or Leaf Pokemon? Leaf Energy. Not this time. Okay. Froakie! That looks pretty cool, actually. Stunky. Quilladin, my bad, sorry. Donphan. Emma. Garbodor. Great Hallnet. Reverse Hollow Scrulp. Oh, that's pretty interesting. And of course, one of these energy. Oh, and Mega Gallade X to end it. Well, that's okay. It could have been a lot worse. It could have been two of these suckers at the end. But hey, this is better than nothing.